Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 420d M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now with this vehicle you do get four 19-inch alloy wheels in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. Coming round to the front, you'll see we've got a M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, as well as the black kidney grills. The vehicle itself is finished in a carbon black exterior paintwork, which looks fantastic. Coming around to this corner, we've got some more M badging. We've then got our colour coded wing mirrors and door handles. There's a quick look in that interior. We've then got our black side skirt, privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows, GRAN Coupe badging on the side, shark fin antenna on top, and there's another look at one of those alloy wheels. Coming to the rear, we have got our black spoiler, you can see just there. We've then got a power assisted tailgate, as well as front and rear parking sensors. So I can actually activate the boot just from here, open the boot up like so. And then we've got a great amount of space in here, as you can see. 12-volt connectivity there on the left. And then we've got a storage net on the right for storing additional items. And then we can actually just press that button there, and that'll come down for us like so. So yes, as I mentioned before, we do have front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. We've got the dual exhaust tips on the left, and as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we come around to this corner, we've then got our last alloy wheel. Coming inside, we've got a full black Dakota leather interior. See just there, ISO fixed points within these seats, fold down armrest in the middle. We've then got a vents and 12-volt connectivity in the centre with the storage nets behind the front passengers. On the doors we've got a sound system, we've got this gloss black trim, we've got our brushed metal handle, electric window control and additional storage. Coming into the front here, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior. We've got electrically adjustable memory seats. We've then got our uprated premium Harman Kardon sound system throughout, which that doesn't want to focus, but see if there we go. Now we've then got our electric wing mirrors, which are power folding with electric window controls, brushed metal handle, plenty of leather in here with a really luxurious feel. We've then got our additional storage as well. We've got our auto lights on the right. Start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start button, there we go. Now we'll just wait for that service light to go off. There we go. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 57,000 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel, different controls for whilst we're on the go, things like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears. We've got our auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. We've then got our start-stop technology with start-stop button, infotainment screen in the middle. At the moment you can see we've got navigation on display. We've then got different forms of media connectivity. On here you'll find things like DAB, FM and AM radio. You've got music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. We've then got telephone connectivity, so we can connect our phones via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Now if I go into the modes as well, we've got different driving modes. We've got Sports Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, so you can pick which one of these best caters your driving style at the time. Put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we have got a visual display of front and rear sensors just there, which makes parking an absolute breeze. Go back into park. Moving our way down, we've got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've then got our dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Heated seats for both front passengers. Got some nice shortcuts like auto and max air conditioning. USB slot just here, additional storage space. Got two good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity just there as well. We've then got our traction control, our mode select just there, button for our parking sensors. If you're not familiar with these gear sticks, we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then if you flick it across to the left, that takes us into sport, and then we can actually go down or up a gear like so as well. So you've got the control of using your gears controlling your gears from the gear stick or the paddle shifters, whichever you prefer, and it's nice to have that versatility. We've then got our control wheel and touchpad for the infotainment screen with the various shortcuts, which is what I've been using to change the screen during this demonstration. We've got our handbrake just here, soft touch leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage, and as you can tell we have got a wireless charging pad in there with another USB slot as well. Now here's another quick look at those seats. So the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 420D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off on the steering wheel here, we have got both speed limiter and cruise control. To activate cruise control, I'll press the button, press up on the trigger, and I'm now cruising at my current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed on this as well with the trigger just there. And when we want to cancel, we can either apply pressure to the brakes or press this button just here. We've then got our gear changes. So I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, down to 5th, down to 4th, back into 5th, back into 6th, and 7th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions at all, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn, but it's definitely worth mentioning how comfortable this vehicle is. We've got the full leather interior with the heated front seats as well as electrically adjustable front seats. We've then got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic, and of course we've got all of the modern amenities on the infotainment screen that we would desire as well. Now here at RS Car Sales we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well here at RS Car Sales. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in. I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate reverse works as it should. So 3, 2, 1. There we go. Very sharp on the brakes just there. Straight into reverse. We've got our visual display of front and rear parking sensors there as well, all working exactly how you would expect. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you'd wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.